So we are going to fry up some onions and peppers. Alright, now I would add leftover chicken if I had any, or cooked chicken. Since I don't, I opened up a couple of cans of canned chicken. And I'm going to add in some taco seasoning. And that's to taste, whatever you think you like, if you want it strong or mild. We just want to get this mixed and a little warm. Since the chicken is already cooked, we don't have to worry about that part. Just getting it mixed together. Right, and then I'm going to just slide that off the heat and get another pan. That is a half stick of butter. Right, and 3 tablespoons of flour to make a roux. I always keep diced onions in my freezer, so I'm going to go ahead and add, I like a lot of onions, so I'm going to add several. And I'm going to get just a little bit of garlic. And I'm going to use some chicken broth. You can also use milk or cream. I'm going to use milk today, because I have some that needs to be used up. We're getting close to the expiration. And I usually use the 5-cheese Mexican blend, but I saw this, so I thought we would try this one today. handful there. Set that aside. So I want to put a spoonful, maybe 2, in my dish. And then I have some leftover rice that I'm going to add to the bottom. This was a really good Mexican rice recipe that I found. Maybe I'll do a video on that sometimes because it's really tasty. The only thing is that I would do if I was making the rice now was leave it a little al dente because it's going to really get soft during the cooking process. But since I have leftovers, I want to use them. Now I'm just going to fill some shells with the chicken mixture. And put them in. Now just take the leftovers and push them in. Put it on top. Then take the cheese sauce that you made and just pour it over. Now all of this is going to go into the oven at 375. It's all cooked. We're just really wanting it to heat up together. So I would say about 20 to 30 minutes. You could check it. Okay, fresh out of the oven. I made sure when I dipped it out that I put some rice and some of the extra peppers on here. It is so hot. Okay, it's really good. But I have to admit, I forgot something. When I make the cheese sauce, usually after I get the sauce done, I go ahead and put a can of mild chilies in it. And I forgot my chilies this time. It hasn't made a huge difference, but I mean, it's still good this way, but chilies do make it just a little bit better. Hey guys, thanks for coming along while I made supper. I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.